Hello guys, it's Eclipse back again with another video. Before I start this video, I wanted to remember you guys to like, and for those that are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't lose any video. Today I will show you some very important tips on how to start growing and get your first 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel. I can't say I am a big YouTube channel, but I'll help you through my experience. So to start it, you should decide what your channel is about. You cannot make some videos about gaming and the other day make a video about cooking, cause you want to build a fan base, and it's not only building it but also keeping it. Don't think that if you get a good amount of subscribers it's all done. It's even more difficult. You now have two problems: getting more subscribers and not losing the ones you already have. Now let's move to the second tip I am going to give you guys. And it is uploading frequently. You should upload at least once a week so you can keep the channel fresh. If you upload more frequently, that's better, but make sure you know what you are uploading. And that leads us to the third tip, which is upload things that you think will get a lot of views. The first thing you need to do about that is to not upload videos that a ton of other YouTubers are doing, because you are a small channel and no one will check your videos. You need to post stuff that's interesting for the viewer and it's unique so the one that is watching has a reason to subscribe. I know it's really hard to come up with those ideas, but sometimes those come out of nowhere. The next tip is short. Just don't put a very long intro. Like something more than 10 or 15 seconds. The next tip I am going to give you guys is make some beautiful thumbnails, and trust me, that's a very big reason for the people to click on your video, and the other thing is to make some good names for your videos. Never put very long names that mean nothing. Try to use keywords that can describe everything you need to say and can be short. Only a few words. And the last tip I wanted to share with you guys has to do with the beginning of this video. Noticed how I told you guys to like and subscribe? That's the key to getting more subscribers. Never think that people that are watching you content are going to subscribe without you remembering them to do so. These type of people are very rare. You should mention it always somewhere in your video. It can be the beginning, middle or the end. But just one of those. Never do two or all of those because the viewers will get annoyed. They already got that message once. You don't need to repeat it every single minute during the video. You can also mention it by replying on their comments. Tell them that a subscribe would really help you and tell them to turn on the notifications. That's a really important thing too, because you don't want your subscribers to be inactive. That's all I had to share with you guys for today. Hope this video helped you and I wish you all guys get successful with your dreams. See you in the next video, and until then, goodbye.